First of all, thanks for watching this video. In this video I will tell you how to fix briefly unavailable for scheduled maintenance error in WordPress. Watch complete video and show your comment about this video. Before start this video, please click on my channel subscribe button. Please log in your website cPanel, where is your WordPress website host, and find out folder file manager. Click on files as show an image. If you are using Infinity free hosting account for WordPress website, then you will see this type look. Click on maintenance and delete it, and then refresh your WordPress again.